Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Suno login issues, account and generation errors step by step clearly.
To fix Suno login issues, start by checking your internet connection.
Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies.
To do this, navigate to your browser settings. Look for the Privacy or Security section. Select the option to clear browsing data.
Make sure to include cookies and cached images. After clearing, close and reopen your browser.
Now, try logging into your Suno account again. If the problem persists, verify your login credentials. Ensure that your email and password are correct.
If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option.
Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your email for a reset link and follow the instructions. If you are receiving an account generation error, ensure that your account is properly created. Visit the Suno website and check for account confirmation emails.
If you find no confirmation, try signing up again.
Make sure to check your spam folder for missing emails. If you are still encountering issues, try using a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility can be a problem. Another option is to disable browser extensions that may interfere with login processes.
If you continue to experience issues, reach out to Suno support.
Provide them with detailed information about your issue. Include any error messages you have received. Follow their guidance to resolve the issues. Lastly, ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Updating your system can resolve underlying compatibility problems.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.